Right, so this is a guide just to show anybody who's got a T5 how to fit the Heko wind deflectors. I've basically bought a set because when I go camping in my van and got the diesel heater on, I need to have some ventilation. Now, my van's pretty stealth, so what I wanted to do was leave the windows open just a tad at the top, just so airflow can get out and get in, so nobody can actually tell the windows open from the outside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It also makes the van look quite good. But I'm going to do this video, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. So before fitting the wind deflector, obviously open your window and give the inside of the runner a good clean all the way round. I've already done mine, so once you've done that, you can move on to the next step. Right, so the window's undone. What you got to do, you see, get your wind deflector and then peel back these yellow stickers prior to fitting the wind deflector itself. These are like little sticky pads, sticky covers should I say, that just cover the wind deflector. It's quite hard doing this one-handed, so I'm going to try my best. And I'm right-handed, I'm doing this with my left, but there we go. Right, so I'm going to try and even fit this one-handed. So what you do is obviously line it up to your window. Now I'm going to go top left up here first, sort of slid in, and then try and fit. Just go to the little channel and try and fit the bottom of it. So if I can do this one-handed, I'm sure when you've got two hands spare, you'll easily be able to fit this. Like that. And then just push it back inside the channel. Like so. Now that is in. Just make sure it goes all the way round. And then the next step is grab the two little clips. Where have I put them? Here, basically. So you grab these two little clips here. They've both got a spike on them. The bit with the spike you want facing inside the cab, and you want to put them sort of where the bend meets here. So put the first one about there, sort of push it into the channel, and then if you've got a flat like a trim removal tool or I don't know, a windscreen de-icer or something, just pop that up inside the channel there. So that's the first one, and then grab the second one, which I'm going to put probably more near to the back. So it's going to get the camera right up there, so just push it. I'm still doing this one-handed. So let me see if I can just... There you go, that's the second one. So yeah, that's done. Now what I'm going to do is just check it's all nice and secure, which to me seems like it is, and then let's test these windows. Perfect. There you go. All done. That's as best as I could do with one hand, so if you've got any other questions, give me a shout, but feel free to subscribe to my channel and give us a like. Cheers.